Thailand, or officially the Kingdom of Thailand, is a country in Southeast Asia with coast on the Andaman Sea and the Gulf of Thailand. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna take you all on a trip to Thailand. With astonishing great food, a tropical climate, fascinating culture, majestic mountains and great beaches, Thailand is a magnet for travelers around the world, and quite rightly so. Guys, Thailand is a country of breathtaking natural beauty, incredible weather and delightfully friendly people. You can find almost anything here. Thick jungle as green as can be, crystal blue waters that feel more like a warm bath than a swim in the ocean, and food that can curl your nose hairs while dancing across your taste buds. Exotic yet safe, cheap yet equipped with every modern amenity you need. There is something for every interest and every price bucket, from beachfront backpacker bungalows to some of the best luxury hotels in the world. Talking about the visa, then the visa exemption rule allows tourists from 64 countries to enter Thailand without a visa, and they are granted to stay a maximum of 30 days if they are entering Thailand via an international airport or entering through a land border checkpoint from neighboring countries. And if you are a US citizen tourist entering Thailand for fewer than 30 days, you do not require a visa, but we strongly recommend that your passport be valid for at least 6 months beyond the date of your arrival in Thailand to avoid possible denied entry. And if you are an Indian traveler, then all Indian passport holders must obtain a visa on arrival for short visits that are no more than 15 days per entry. And just when you arrive in the country, you need to pay for the visa on arrival. That implies another cost. The price of the visa is about $65, and you need to pay it at the service counter at the immigration checkpoint. Talking about the flights for Thailand, then the main international airports in Thailand are at the Bangkok and Phuket, and both are well served by intercontinental flights. Practically every airline that flies to Asia also flies into Bangkok. This means that there are plenty of services and the competition on the routes that helps to keep the ticket prices down. The national carrier is the well-regarded Thai Airways, with Bangkok Airways filling in some gaps in the nearby region. And many low-cost carriers serve Thailand, including Thai AirAsia and Thai Lion Air. Now once you are in Thailand, you first need to look for an accommodation for yourself, and Thailand has a plethora of accommodation in every price bucket. Always take a look at the room before agreeing to the prices, and in smaller establishments also do ask for the agreed price in writing to avoid problems during the checkout. It is easy to find a decent room for 500 to 1000 baht in most places, and you can get shared hostel rooms for under 200 baht a night. And guys, hostels are something not typical for Thailand. You will often get a bit more westernized and hotel-like interiors. And guys, guest houses are usually the cheapest option. Basic ones cost 100 to 200 baht per room per night, while you can also get boutique hotels for around 2000 baht and up, and business and luxury hotels for around 4000 baht and up. And guys, if we talk about the food, then the food alone is really the reason enough for a trip to Thailand. Curries, fruit shakes, stir fries, fresh fishes, made a zillion ways, and that's just the beginning. Guys, food in Thailand can be as cheap and easy as 25 baht, or as expensive and complicated as $100 10-course meal by a royal chef served in one of the Bangkok's 5-star hotels. The Thai cuisine is characterized by balance and strong flavors, especially lime juice, lemongrass, fresh coriander, the combination of which gives Thai food its distinctive taste. And in addition, Thai food has a deserved reputation of being spicy, with hot little torpedo-shaped chilies. Guys, Bangkok is at the start of many visitors' itineraries, and while a modern city, it has a rich cultural heritage. Most visitors at least take in the Grand Palace, a collection of highly decorated buildings and monuments. Thailand's beaches and islands attract millions of visitors each year from all over the globe. Hua Hin is Thailand's oldest beach resort, discovered by King Rama VII in the 1920s as an ideal gateway from Bangkok. Things have considerably changed since then, while Pattaya, Phuket and Koh Samui were only discovered in the 1970s. These are now by far the most developed beach resorts. And if you are a nature lover, then waterfalls can be found all over the Thailand. And finally, the gravity-defying limestone formations shouldn't be missed by anyone who stays in the region. And guys, Thailand is a shopper's paradise, and many visitors in Bangkok to particular end up spending much of their time in a countless markets and malls. Particularly good buys are clothing, both cheap locally produced streetwear and fancy Thai silk, and all sorts of handicrafts. Electronics and computer gear are also widely available, but prices are slightly higher than in Singapore, Hong Kong, Philippines and Kuala Lumpur. A Thai specialty are the night markets found in almost every town, the largest and the best known of which are in Bangkok and the night bazaars in Chiang Mai. And guys, now comes the biggest question, that how many days trip you should plan for Thailand and what is the best time to visit Thailand. So I would suggest that a 7 to 10 days trip would be sufficient for Thailand, and the peak season is during December to February. And guys, if you want a budget trip to Thailand, then you should plan your trip during the May to August. And guys, if we talk about the budget, then a vacation to Thailand for 1 week usually costs around 22,686 baht for one person. So a trip to Thailand for 2 people costs around 45,372 baht for 1 week. So guys, if you are planning to visit Thailand or if you have already visited, then comment down below to share your experiences with me. Also, you can share this video with your friends, family and loved ones. And for such amazing travel videos, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the notification of my upcoming videos. Till then, stay happy, stay fit and keep traveling.